When a YouTube video is released, you can set it up so that a notification is sent instantly to your Discord server, and you can do the same for your Twitch live streams. Welcome to the JohnBot channel. On this channel, we explain using JohnBot perfectly. In this video, we will see how to set up a notification every time you go live on YouTube or Twitch, or when one of your new YouTube videos is released. To do this, you need to go to your Discord server with JohnBot added and enter the /command dashboard. Click the button and you will be redirected to your dashboard. Then go to the notifications category, and you will be able to choose your YouTube channel and your Twitch channel. To do this, enable option. Now, we're going to go to YouTube and search for channel. It works with all channels even if you don't have permission on them. Now that you're on the channel, you will copy the channel link located right at the top in your browser, and you will click here to add a channel, and that's where you will paste the channel link. Make sure it's in this format. It's very important with youtube.com/your ID. Then you can choose a channel where we will send this, so I recommend creating one where members cannot send messages. So I'm going to select it. Then you can exclude certain types of content from the notifications. So if you're posting a lot of shorts, you can make sure there are no notifications for the shorts. You can do a lot of things. You can configure the message. So here you will be able to make mentions if you want the members to be mentioned. So I'm going to make a mention of everyone. For that, I just type everyone at the bottom. But you might need to mention a specific role. So for that it's very simple. Let's say I want to mention the role member. Go to my roles. And if I want to mention a member role, I'm just going to copy its ID. For that, you go into your Discord user settings, then into advanced settings, and enable developer mode. Don't worry, it won't change anything for you. It will just add some options, and you'll be able to do the manipulation. Now, you will open, put at, and then paste what you just copied. It seems a bit strange, but don't worry, if we copy this and put it on Discord, you can see that it mentions members. The same goes here, don't worry. Then you can, if you want, customize the default embed a bit. It's very well laid out. Here's a little preview, so an example video. You will have the channel logo, the video thumbnail, the description, the title, and the link below. Then you will have a button that you can enable, which will be under the message to simply allow them to click on it and be redirected to YouTube. It's really an option I recommend. In addition, you can customize this button. Now we can save. Every time there is a new video on the channel or channels, you can add multiple ones. It will notify you. For Twitch channels, it's pretty much the same process. You activate it, you add a channel, then you can go to Twitch and visit the channel you want. Then copy the URL. You can easily find it in your browser. You will paste it right here. It's very important to paste it in full. Then, you can choose a channel. You can type a message. You can customize the embed again. I recommend leaving it as default. It's still very well done by default. And activate the button, which I recommend you activate, so we can save. And every time there is a new live stream on the channel, the server will be notified. I hope this video was helpful to you. If so, feel free to subscribe and leave a like. See you soon.